What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to insert a SIM card in any smartwatch. It doesn't matter the smartwatch you have, whether it's the S8, S9, S10, the Firebolt smartwatch, or just any smartwatch that uses a SIM card. This video is going to guide you on how to properly insert and use your SIM card on any smartwatch you have. Now on my Android smartwatch over here, if I try to make a call currently that I do not have a SIM card on the smartwatch and then just click on the call icon, you can literally see that I get the error saying there is no SIM card inside of the smartwatch. And now to insert my SIM card, basically you want to turn over to the left hand side of the smartwatch. Usually there is a SIM card tray at this particular point. It might actually be different on your own smartwatch, but majority of the time you're actually going to find the SIM card tray at the left hand side of the smartwatch. On the other side of the smartwatch is the power button, so you want to leave this. Just go over to the left hand side to open up this particular SIM card tray. Majority of the smartwatches actually come with a SIM card ejector, just like this one over here, so you can actually eject the SIM card tray using this, or sometimes you might actually get a SIM card ejector that looks just like this. But you don't necessarily need all of these to actually remove the SIM card tray. What you just want to do is to actually insert your finger inside of the little space we have between the SIM card tray and the smartwatch at the top over here. So just insert your finger, and majority of the time you should be able to pull it out if you have long fingers. But if you do not have long fingers, you can actually just go ahead and get your SIM card ejector that looks just like this, insert it inside of this place, and once it enters you just want to pull it out a little bit, and now you can now see that we are now able to remove the SIM card tray from the smartwatch. What you just want to do is to remove it and then go ahead and get your SIM card. Mine is over here. This is an Airtel 4G SIM card, and now to insert the SIM card inside of the tray, you want to turn it and make sure it actually fits with the curve or the cut that we have over here. Now on your SIM card there is also a little curve. Now you just want to go ahead and place it so that the curve actually fits with what we have on the SIM card tray. So you can literally see the little curve over here. You want to just insert it so that it actually fits with the curve on the SIM card as well. Now once you're done, you just want to go ahead and insert it exactly like this inside of your smartwatch. Make sure it actually fits properly. And then once you're able to close the SIM card tray, you can now go ahead and turn on your smartwatch. But keep in mind that the SIM card will not work automatically. You actually have to go ahead and reset or restart your smartwatch. So just go ahead and long press on the power button and you would get the option to restart or reboot your smartwatch. So just go ahead and restart it or reboot it. And after the smartwatch is restarted, you just want to give it some few seconds. And now if I try to make a call, so if I come over here and try to call someone and then just click on the call icon at the bottom over here, just like so, we should now be able to make and receive calls from this particular SIM card that is inserted on our smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.